Welcome back to our channel Respect Education.
Okay friends, now let us see sixth question. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. There are f bits in this question. Now let us see the a bit. 3 into 5 1 by 5 is equal to 3 into 5 1 by 5 should be converted into improper fraction. So 3 into 5 into 5, here 5 into 5 plus 1 by 5. To convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction, we should do this method, 5 into 5 plus 1 by 5. So 3 into 5 into 5 plus 1 by 5. So 3 into 5 into 5 is 25 plus 1 by 5. 3 into 25 plus 1 by 5. Now 25 plus 1 is 26. It is 3 into 26 by 5. Now 3 can be written as 3 by 1. So it is 3 by 1 into 26 by 5. Now the numerators 3 into 26 by the denominators 1 into 5. So 3 into 26 is 78 by 1 into 5 is simply 5. So it is 78 by 5. If you observe, this is an improper fraction. Now we need to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. By converting this improper fraction into mixed fraction, we get 15 3 by 5. Therefore the answer for 3 into 5 1 by 5 a bit is 15 3 by 5. Is it clear friends? Okay friends, now let us see b bit. 5 into 6 3 by 4. So 5 into 6 3 by 4 should be converted into improper fraction. So now let's convert this mixed fraction 6 3 by 4 into improper fraction. So 5 into 4 into 6. See here friends, 5 into 4 into 6 plus 3 by this 4. So 5 into 4 into 6 plus 3 by 4. So 5 into 4 into 6, 4 6er is 24 plus 3 by 4. Now 5 into 24 plus 3 is 27 by 4. So it is 5 into 27 by 4 and 5 can be written as 5 by 1. So it is 5 by 1 into 27 by 4. Now the multiplication of the numerators 5 and 27. It is 5 into 27 by 1 into 4 denominators. So 5 into 27 is 135. 135 by 1 into 4. 1 4s are 4. So it is 135 by 4. If you observe friends, this is an improper fraction. So we need to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now let's do the division here to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. So 4 should be here, whereas 135 should be here. So 4 3s are 12 can be taken, and 3 minus 2 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now let us drop 5. By dropping 5 it is 15. Now 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 is greater than 15. So let us take 4 3s are 12. Now this subtraction, 5 minus 2 is 3, 1 minus 1 is 0 and 0. So the quotient is 33, 3 is the remainder and here 4. Now let us write from right to left. First the 33, then 3, then 4. So it is 33, 3 by 4. So by converting 135 by 4 into mixed fraction, we get 33, 3 by 4. So the answer for 5 into 6, 3 by 4, that is B bit, is 33, 3 by 4. Is it clear, friends? Okay friends, now let us see C bit. 7 into 2, 1 by 4. The given question is 7 into 2, 1 by 4. So 7 into, we have to convert this given mixed fraction into improper fraction. So now let's do that. 4 into 2 plus 1 by 4. Once again I am repeating. 4 into 2 plus 1 by 4. So it is 7 into 2 into 4 plus 1 by 4. So 7 into 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 by 4. So 7 into 8 plus 1 is clearly 9 by 4. Now 7 can be written as 7 by 1. So 7 by 1 into 9 by 4. Now the multiplication of the numerators 7 and 9. It is 7 into 9 by the denominators 1 and 4 is 1 into 4. So 7 into 9 by 1 into 4. 7 into 9 is 63 by 1 into 4. 4 ones are is 4. So it is 63 by 4, an improper fraction. So let us convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Let us do the division here. Here is 4. Here is 63. So let us convert. 4 ones are 4. Subtraction. 6 minus 4 is 2. And let us drop 3 or get down 3. So 4 5s are 20 and 4 6s are 24. Yes, 24 is greater than 23. So let us take 4 5s are. So 4 5s are 20 and the remainder is 3. Now let us write the numbers from right to left. First the 15 and then 3 and then 4. So 15 3 by 4. See here friends, by converting 63 by 4 improper fraction into mixed fraction, we get 15 3 by 4. Therefore the answer for this question 7 into 2 1 by 4 C bit is 63 by 4, nothing but 15 3 by 4. Is it clear friends? Okay friends, now let us see D bit. The question is 4 into 6 1 by 3. So 4 into, we should convert this mixed fraction 6 1 by 3 into improper fraction. So let's convert. 3 into 6 plus 1 by 3. So 3 into 6 plus 1 by 3. 4 into 3 into 6 plus 1 by 3. 4 into 3 into 6, 3 6er is 18 plus 1 by 3. 4 into 18 plus 1 is 19 by 3. So 4 can be written as 4 by 1 into 19 by 3. Now the multiplication of numerators 4 and 19. It is 4 into 19 by the multiplication of denominators 1 and 3. It is 1 into 3. So 4 into 19, 4 19s is 76 by 1 into 3, 1 3s is equal to 3. 76 by 3. Now let's convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So here let us write 3 and here is 76. So 3 2s are 6 and 1, and let us drop 16 or get down 6. So 3 5s are 15 and the remainder, that is the subtraction of 16 and 15, is 1. So now let us write the numbers from right to left. First the 25, second is 1 and third is 3. So 25 1 by 3. See here friends, 76 by 3 converted into mixed fraction, we get 25 1 by 3. Therefore the answer for this question, 4 into 6 1 by 3, that is the D bit, is 25 1 by 3. Is it clear friends? Okay friends, this is E bit. 3 1 by 4 into 6. So 3 1 by 4, here is a mixed fraction. Now let's convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 4 into 3 plus 1 by 4. So 4 into 3 plus 1 by 4 into 6. In A, B, C, D bits, into any number is given before the mixed fraction, but now the after the mixed fraction it is given. So coming to the problem, 4 into 3 plus 1 by 4 into 6. 4 into 3 is 12 plus 1 by 4 into 6. 12 plus 1 is 13 by 4 into 6. 6 here can be written as 6 by 1. So it is 13 by 4 into 6 by 1. Now let's multiply the numerators 13 and 6. It is 13 into 6 by 4 into 1, the denominators. So 13 into 6 by 4 into 1. If you observe carefully friends, cancellation is possible. Yes, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So it is 13 into 3 by 2 into 1. Now 13 into 3 is 39 by 2 into 1 is 2. So this is an improper fraction. So we need to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So by converting this improper fraction 39 by 2, we get 19 1 by 2. Therefore the answer for this question 3 1 by 4 into 6, that is E bit, is 39 by 2. By converting this into mixed fraction, it is 19 1 by 2. Is it clear friends? Okay friends, now let us see F bit. This is the last bit for this question, sixth one. The question is 3 2 by 5 into 8. So 3 2 by 5 is mixed fraction and we should convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 into 3 plus 2 by 5. 5 into 3 plus 2 by 5. 5 into 3 plus 2 by 5 into 8. So 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 by 5 into 8. 15 plus 2 is 17 by 5 into 8 can be written as 8 by 1. Now let's multiply the numerator 17 and 8. It is 17 into 8 by denominators 5 and 1. It is 5 into 1. So 17 into 8 by 5 into 1. 17 into 8. 17 8s are 136. 136 by 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5. So let us convert this improper fraction 136 by 5 into mixed fraction. So by converting this improper fraction into mixed fraction, we get 27 1 by 5. Therefore the answer for this question 3 2 by 5 into 8 is 27 1 by 5. Is it clear, friends? With this, question number 6 gets completed. Okay friends, this is question number 7. Find. There are 2 bits. In 2 bits, there are 2 sub bits for each bit. So let us do the A bit. 1 by 2 of first bit is 2 3 by 4. The first sub bit is 2 3 by 4. So 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4. 1 by 2 of can be written as into 2 3 by 4. 1 by 2 into 2 3 by 4 is mixed fraction. So let us convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 into 2 plus 3 by 4. So 1 by 2 into 4 into 2 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 2 into 4 into 2 is 8 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 2 into 8 plus 3 by 4 is 11 by 4. So 1 by 2 into 11 by 4. Now let us multiply the numerators 1 and 11. It is 1 into 11 by the denominators 2 and 4. It is 2 into 4. So 1 into 11 by 2 into 4. 1 into 11 is 11 by 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. It is 11 by 8. If you observe, 11 by 8 is an improper fraction. So let us convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So by converting 11 by 8 into mixed fraction, we get 1 3 by 8. Therefore the answer for this question 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4 is 11 by 8, and by converting this improper fraction into mixed fraction, we get 1 3 by 8. Is it clear, friends? Okay friends, now let us see the second sub bit. 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9. So 1 by 2 of can be written as into 4 2 by 9. 1 by 2 into 4 2 by 9 is mixed fraction. So let us convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now 9 into 4 plus 2 by 9. So 1 by 2 into 9 into 4 plus 2 by 9. 1 by 2 into 9 into 4 is 36 plus 2 by 9. 1 by 2 into 36 plus 2 by 9 is 38 by 9. Now let us multiply the numerators 1 and 38. It is 1 into 38 by denominators 2 and 9. It is 2 into 9. So 1 into 38 by 2 into 9. If you observe, friends, here there is cancellation possible. 2 ones are 2 and 2 19s are 38. 2 ones are 2 and 2 19s are 38. So 1 into 19 by 1 into 9. 1 into 19 is 19 by 1 into 9 is 9. It is 19 by 9. As 19 by 9 is an improper fraction, we need to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So by converting 19 by 9 into mixed fraction, we get 2 1 by 9. Therefore the answer for this question 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9 is 19 by 9, nothing but 2 1 by 9. Is it clear, friends? Okay friends, this is B bit. 5 by 8 of, in this B bit, the first sub bit is 3 5 by 6. So 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6. 5 by 8 of can be written as into 3 5 by 6. As 3 5 by 6 is a mixed fraction, we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now let's do that. 6 into 3 plus 5 by 6. So 5 by 8 into 6 into 3 plus 5 by 6. So 5 by 8 into 6 into 3, 6 3s are is 18 plus 5 by 6. 5 by 8 into 18 plus 5 is 23 by 6. So 5 by 8 into 23 by 6. First let us multiply the numerators 5 and 23. It is 5 into 23. Now the denominators 8 and 6. It is 8 into 6. So it is 5 into 23 by 8 into 6. 5 into 23 is 115. 115 by 8 into 6. 8 6 is 48. So it is 115 by 48. 115 by 48 is an improper fraction. So we need to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So by converting this improper fraction into mixed fraction, we get 219 by 48. Therefore the answer for this question 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6 is 115 by 48. Converted into mixed fraction, we get 219 by 48. Is it clear, friends? Okay friends, now let us see B bit. In this second sub bit, 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. 5 by 8 of can be written as into 9 2 by 3. So 5 by 8 into, we should convert this mixed fraction 9 2 by 3 into improper fraction. So 3 into 9 plus 2 by 3. So 5 by 8 into 3 into 9 plus 2 by 3. 5 by 8 into 3 into 9 is 27 plus 2 by 3. So 5 by 8 into 27 plus 2 is 29 by 3. So it is 5 by 8 into 29 by 3. First let us multiply the numerators 5 and 29. We get 5 into 29 by 8 and 3. The denominators, it is 8 into 3. So 5 into 29 by 8 into 3. 5 into 29 is 145. 145 by 8 into 3. 8 3s is 24. So it is 145 by 24. So this is an improper fraction. By converting this improper fraction into mixed fraction, we get 6 1 by 24. So the answer for this question 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. The B bit, second sub bit, is 145 by 24. By converting this improper fraction into mixed fraction, we get 6 1 by 24. Is it clear, friends? With this, question number 7 gets completed. Okay friends, now let us see question number 8. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. how much water did Vidya drink? What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? So there are two bits in this question, friends. Now let us see the first bit. How much water did Vidya drink? Given total quantity of water given is 5 liters. So the mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters. Then fraction of water consumed by Vidya, is 2 by 5 of the water. That means 2 by 5 of the water. The water is 5 liters. So 2 by 5 of 5 liters. 2 by 5 of means into 5 liters. 5 can be written as 5 by 1. So it is 2 by 5 into 5 by 1. 5 and 5 get cancelled, and here it is 2 into 1 by 1 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2 by 1 into 1 is 1. It is 2 by 1, nothing but 2 liters. Therefore, Vidya drank 2 liters of water, or number of liters consumed by Vidya is 2 liters. Okay friends, now let us see second bit. What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Vidya drank 2 liters of water. Then what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Then also given that Pratap consumed the remaining water. Quantity of water consumed by Pratap is equal to 5 liters total quantity minus 2 liters Vidya drank or consumed by Vidya. So 5 liters minus 2 liters. 5 minus 2 is 3 liters. So Pratap is equal to 3 liters. Now fraction of water consumed by Pratap. We have found how many liters are consumed by Pratap. But it is asked quantity of water, fraction of the total quantity of water. Now fraction of water consumed by Pratap is equal to 3 liters out of 5 liters, total 5 liters. He drank 3 liters. So 3 liters out of 5 liters. 3 liters out of 5 liters, 3 by 5 of the water. 3 by 5 out of the water. What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? 3 by 5 of the water. Is it clear, friends? With this, exercise number 2.2 gets completed. Thank you, friends.
If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.